Buying a sewing cabinet might seem tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Schedule a free virtual session with me, your very own Aero Sewing personal shopper. I'll answer all of your questions and virtually demo your dream cabinets to make sure we pair you with the best sewing cabinet for your budget and your sewing lifestyle. It's completely free and tons of fun. And to sweeten the deal, the first 10 sewers to meet with an Aero Sewing personal shopper will be entered to win a free hydraulic sewing chair from Aero Sewing, the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Don't miss out. Schedule your free demo today. See you soon.